The key element or success to winning a big wave event is obviously going out there and finding the biggest wave and successfully riding it. For me, to be the 2010-2011 Big Wave World Tour champion is huge. It's been a dream and goal of mine to be a world champion, as well as to have this Big Wave World Tour as a platform for us big wave surfers to compete all around the world and have a point system and a ranking system that at the end of the year we have a champion and an organized list of how each individual athlete did on the tour. And for me, being the champion of the second annual Big Wave World Tour, is, definitely one of the highest achievements in my surfing career. I want to say a big thanks to Gary Linden for his dream and seeing his dream become a reality. And not only his dream, but our dreams, the competitors and the athletes' dreams as well. Looking forward to another great year on the tour, and nothing but love.